Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unmute a muted thread in Gmail. If you've accidentally muted an important conversation or want to make sure an ongoing thread comes back into your inbox, this guide will help you restore it quickly and efficiently. Let's get started step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and log in. Once you're on your inbox page, it's time to locate those muted threads. Look at the top of your Gmail page where the search bar is. Here, type is :muted and press enter. This simple search command will display all the emails that you've muted in the past. Think of it like casting a net. You'll see every muted conversation, even ones you may have forgotten about. With the list of muted threads now visible, scan through them to find the specific conversation you want to unmute. When you spot it, click to open the thread and view all previous messages. While viewing the email, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click on these dots and from the drop-down, select Unmute. Just like that, the conversation is reactivated. Any new messages from this thread will now appear in your inbox as they arrive, keeping you up to date on all ongoing discussions. It's a quick and straightforward process, but it ensures no important email goes unnoticed. By following these steps, you'll make sure no conversation stays hidden and your Gmail stays organized exactly the way you want. Managing muted threads is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of your emails effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tips and guides.